Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video, we'll be talking about this new project that actually just launched. It's called Prosperity Gem Mining, okay? Now, this is a project that I personally believe is going to be sustainable, okay? Looking at the background of the creator of this project, okay? And also looking at the fact that this is truly into mining and also the into NFT and some other projects that will be coming along in the roadmap of this project, okay? So the project actually promises to pay up to 2% daily, okay, of your total sum of investment, okay. Now, I'm saying this, I'm going to be stressing on this because I've seen a whole lot of YouTubers saying 2% of your total investment every day. No, it's not 2%, it's up to 2%, meaning that there are days you're going to be getting like 1.5%. There are days you're going to be getting like 1.8%, 2%, 1%, depending on the profit that is made from the mining, okay, of cryptocurrency, okay. Now, if you come down here and you look up, if you check this contract balance here, you're going to be seeing that we have 477,661 USDT here. You can see the total deposit here. You can see 112,231, right? And if you come down here, if you check the total withdrawn, you can see 642,569 USDT, right? To confirm if this is actually correct, when you click on when you go to the contract, you click on this button up here, you click on contract here, it's going to bring you here, right? Let's click on this contracts. It's going to bring you here, right? You can see the balance of the contract here. You can see we have 476, right? Which actually correspond with what we actually have on the dashboard. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing people, you see activity going on here. You can see deposit, payout, deposit, and these are done in real time, right? So that goes to confirm what we actually have in the contract balance here, right? Now, you might want to ask, who is the person behind this project, right? When you come up here and you click on about the creator here, click about the creator here. When you click about the creator, it's going to bring you here. Okay, the name of the guy is called Manny Delgado. Now, Manny Delgado also is a YouTuber. Okay, he's been running stuff in the YouTube space for quite some time. If you come down here, you're going to read about it. He said, my goal behind PGM. Now, PGM actually means Prosperity Gem Mining, was to create a project that the people can rely on, a project that can be sustainable long term. My biggest motivation and reason for creating PGM were Ponzi schemes. As we all know, many projects in the DeFi space have come and gone. I've been part of many of those projects. I believe in many of those projects, as many of you did as well. Sadly, in the end, 90% of the project I was in, I was a part of a scam. Okay, so Man himself have been part of a whole lot of projects like you and I, who are investors in the DeFi space. Okay, some of these projects actually comes up looking shiny, but at the end of the day, they rug pull, they become scam. I think that is one of the motivation of money going ahead to actually create this prosperity gem mining. Okay, now you can click. When you click, there's going to be a link below this video that is going to bring you into this project. Okay, go ahead and click on that link. Now that link is going to bring you into this website here, this prosperity gem mining. Then you'll be able to register, connect your MetaMask. Okay, now when you connect your MetaMask, you'll be able to see everything live by yourself. Okay, so go ahead and click on that link. Okay, we're talking about money, so you can come up here and read everything about him. You can see he's been in network marketing for 6 years. He's been in social marketing for 7 years, and in crypto trading for over 2 years. Okay, so his experience. Okay, and moreover, he's not hiding his face. He's not hiding under the avatar of any kind. He's putting up his face. His family. He's talked about his family and everything. Okay, his where he stays and all that. Okay, so he's not hiding anything. He's here for you. If you want to even talk to Manny, you can come down here. Okay, book a meeting with him, and you'll be able to talk to him, right? So the project actually pays you up to 2% daily. Okay, let me quickly show you that. in the white paper, right? So when you come up here, you're going to read everything about the project, right? And there's something I actually want you to know about this project, okay? The project, you can read here, you can see we offer up to, when they say up to, it's not static on 2%, it's up to 2% daily on your full deposit amount 7 days a week, right? So that is what you'll be getting. So all you need to do when you come to the main website, okay, the dashboard of the project. Now remember, you'll be using USDT and Tron, but in my case, I'll be using USDT BEP20 from Binance. I'm not talking about TRC20 now. You're going to be using BEP20 of USDT. All you just need to do is to credit your MetaMask, okay, BEP, okay, USDT with, it could be $100 or above, but the minimum you can actually use to come into this project is 100 USDT. So anything that falls short below you, 100 USDT, you'll not be able to come into this project. From 100 USDT above, you'll be able to come into this project, okay? After you must have funded your MetaMask with BEP20 USDT, okay, because it's using Binance Smart Chain, okay, on this particular project. So make sure you use USDT from Binance, which is BEP20, okay? When you do that, you now come down here, okay? You put the amount that you want to deposit. It could be $100 or more, okay? And you click on deposit, and your MetaMask is going to come up, and you click on confirm, and your money will be deposited in here. And automatically, you begin to earn up to 2% every day, 7 days a week from this project, okay? And there's something I want you to understand. You can actually take out your initial after 15 days of coming into this project, right? Yeah, that is the good news. You can take out, but why would you want to take out your initial when you are making up to 2% daily, 7 days a week in a lucrative project like this, okay? So that should give you a head up that you can stay longer if you want. Having said that, it's not a financial advice. I'm not giving you a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if I were you, I know the right thing to do, okay? So when you come to active stats here, you're going to see how much is withdrawn. You're going to see your referral with reward here, okay? You can see your minimum withdrawal you can actually take out of this project is 50 USDT. You cannot take anything below 50 USDT. For you to take a withdrawal, it has to be 50 USDT, and you can actually withdraw just once in a week, okay? So you're going to see it here, a week after first deposit, you're entitled to withdraw. So you're going to see the amount of money that you're entitled to withdraw down here. So when you click on claim, automatically the money will be deposited into your MetaMask wallet, okay? You can also make money from this project by referring your friends, telling your friends about the project to join. You get 5% of their total deposit, right? So that's another way for you to actually get paid from this project, okay? So there are other videos that is going to be coming up here, tutorial videos, PGM full site tutorial. You're going to be getting PGM deposit tutorial here. You're going to be getting deposits tutorial also here, okay? And the roadmap, okay? Like I always tell people, make sure you read the white paper, okay? So that you get to understand the roadmap and everything you need to know about this project. You can also click on this FAQ so you get to understand any information or whatever you want to know about this project, okay? You want to know about prosperity gem mining, you're going to click here, you get information about it. How long I withdraw up to 2, you're going to get every information about the project here, okay? So remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I will advise you if you ask me to go ahead with this project, because this project, I see it to be something that is going to be sustainable here, okay? The funds are not just coming from mining only, but it's also coming from NFT and other projects that will be coming up along the line, okay, of the roadmap of the project, okay? I'll be making subsequent videos about Prosperity Gem. You all know how we did it in Stable Fund and other projects. So I'll be coming up with subsequent updated videos about prosperity gem mining. Okay, so if this is your first time of watching my video, I want you to please go ahead and like this video, and also remember to subscribe to the channel. If you're my returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for watching my videos, and please go ahead and like this video. Like the video so it will help the algorithm, okay, of the video on YouTube. Okay, I want to sincerely appreciate your time for watching this video. Do take care of yourself. Remember, the link to this project is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, do take care of yourself, and bye bye.